My hand.
Alright. I've been wanting to do this for some time. For those of you that do follow my channel, there's probably like 3. There will be more though. I am a CAD designer. I'm not really a CAD manager. That's been a role I've played recently, but I'm a CAD designer and I spend all day in front of the computer designing crap, and I'm burnt out. I'm exhausted. I'm out of shape. I sit in front of the computer for 10 hours a day. That's not the lifestyle I used to have. I used to be a snowboarder, BMXer, did all kinds of outdoor stuff, and was about 150 pounds skinnier than I am now. And so this channel is going to be changing. I'm splitting my channel into 3 channels. This channel is going to be primarily is going to be everything with wheels and engines, or wheels. Anything related to cars, 4-wheelers, motorcycles, trucks, off-road, racing, sand dunes, any of those events, things, shop stuff, builds, anything that is related or revolves around automobiles, motorcycles, 4-wheelers, that sort of thing, trucks. And I'm going to get into fabrication more as these channels all start to progress. And as I do that, I'll be able to tool up. The real goal is to get a shop and be able to expand and do, obviously, what a lot of people are already doing on YouTube. They're doing channels that have to do with fabrication and whatnot. So this channel, I'm going to strip almost all the videos off. I may leave, for rhyme or reason, a number of them that maybe aren't related to everything I said. But for the most part, I'm going to strip all the DIY videos off. So my second and third channel is, my second channel is going to be all DIY project stuff that isn't related to cars. So like when I work around the property and do cool stuff, I just got done with a hay storage, and I may or may not do a video on that. So all the DIY stuff that would still be helpful to people, and I still have a passion for it, and I still do it on a daily basis, is going to go on my second channel. And then I wanted to do, it didn't feel like that was going to fit everything else that kind of was out there in La La Land. And so my third channel is going to be a channel called Skud Rising, or the Rising of Skud, I think is what I called it. And so that third channel is going to chronicle basically getting out of a profession that I don't like and moving into what I should have done a long time ago, and getting out of service-based industries, getting control of finances, getting healthier, and moving to a place that I should have been all along. And I think sometimes life is a bit of a learning lesson about what you do and don't want to do, and there's no rule book that people write necessarily, or at least I haven't read it yet. Rich Dad Poor Dad obviously was one that kind of opened my eyes, and E-Myth was another one. So that's the end of that. I'm going to re-release this as the intro for the main channel. The main channel is obviously Scud Woofer. I think the second channel is Scud DIY, and the third channel is I think it's Scud Rising, or no, the Rising of Scud. Anyways, I'll put all the links in the description. Obviously right now this channel is really small, so any likes and subscribes and bells and all that crap helps the channel. I don't know if I'm going to do Patreon. I don't like Patreon. I think the company sucks. So it's a bit of a moral thing for me whether I want to interact with them as a business. So we'll see. There may be other ways to support me besides Patreon. I'm definitely going to get a P.O. box. You guys can send in random crap. And so I think that's about it. I think I got to do intros for the other 2 channels. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.